Okay, hello friends. Today we will see illustration number 12, accountancy, bigger sums. Now, standard 12, subject accounts. Topic is partnership. So this is the sum, illustration number 12. Illustration 12. Now, if you have the book, you can understand, you can see on page number 20, Sharda and Jamna are partners of a firm. Their capital as on 1/4/2016 was 30,000 and 40,000 respectively. During the year, Sharda has withdrawn 6,000 on 1/4/2016, while Jamna 8,000 on 1/1/2017. The provision of partnership deed are as follows. So there are some provisions that we will see. Provide interest on capital. We have to provide interest on capital at 10% per annum. Provide interest on drawing at 12% per annum. Monthly salary 500 is payable to Sharda. One of the partners also to Sharda and Jamna. Sharda has been given for his active participation in business 500 monthly salary. As an annual commission of rupees 3,000 is payable to Jamna. An annual commission also is payable to Jamna as rupees 3,000. On 1 day 2016, Sharda has given loan of rupees 6,000 to the firm. There is no provision in the partnership deed for interest on loan. So Sharda demands interest on 10% per annum on loan. Now here for loan, Sharda has given loan of rupees 6,000 to the firm, but there is no provision of interest on loan. Although Sharda demands 10% per annum interest on loan. So if there is no provision, we will not take out interest on loan. Profit of the year ending on 31st/3/2017 before consideration of above provision and interest on loan of Sharda of the above firm is 39,820. So profit is 39,820. Now from the above information we have to prepare P&L appropriation account and partners capital account. First of all, we will make P&L appropriation account. P&L appropriation account of Sharda and Jamna. First of all, we will make P&L appropriation account. As we had seen, the format is particulars amount, particulars amount, particulars one space we will keep rough space, rough one. Now see, first of all we have the net profit. So as we know, in P&L appropriation account is the account of the company, and we will keep profit and loss, that is 39,820. So by net profit we will write it here income 39,820. Here income and here expenses of the company. Now second income of the company is by interest on drawings. We will see interest on drawings. In the sum during the year, Sharda has withdrawn 6,000 on 1/4/2016. So Sharda has withdrawn 6,000 at the drawing interest rate is 12% per annum. So if we see, we can take out 720. So 720 it is for Sharda. Interest on drawings for Sharda it is 720, and for Jamuna she withdraws 8,001 2017. So here rough work we will do for Jamuna. 8,000 into 12 by 100. Now it is the date we have to see on 1/1/2017. So 1, 2, 3, 3 months. So for 3 months at 12% interest rate, 3 by 12. Here it will be deducted. Now we will do multiplication. 240 degrees. So Jamuna will get rupees 240. So the total will be 960. That is the income of the company. Now the expenses of the company. First one is to interest on capital. Interest on capital, if we calculate Sharda and Jamuna. Sharda and Jamuna. Now for Sharda, interest is their capital on 1/4/2016 30,000 for Sharda and 40,000 for Jamuna, and at the rate 10% per annum. So 30,000 for Sharda into 10 by 100. So it will be 3,000 for Sharda and Jamuna 40,000, 10% is 4,000 for Jamuna. So here we have taken out 3,000 for Sharda interest on capital and 4,000 on Jamuna. So the total interest on capital is 7,000. If we go further, partners have been given the salary, but not both the partners. Only Sharda had been given the salary. Monthly salary 500 is payable to Sharda. The adjustment number 3 we will see. Monthly salary of ₹500 is payable to Sharda for his active participation in business. So 500 she had been given for 1 month. So for 12 months it is 12 by 60. So it will be 6,000. So it will be by salary 6,000 rupees will be given to Sharda. Along with that, on third adjustment only, the commission is payable to Jamuna. By commission account, commission is payable to Jamuna, that is 3,000. So all the transactions we had seen, the income, net profit, interest on drawing, and the expenses of the company, interest on capital, and salary and commission. So after we will total this side, 39,820 plus 960 will get 40,780. From this we will deduct this 7,000, 6,000 and 3,000. So we will get 24,780. 24,780 is our divisible profit. By divisible profit, as there is no share of share ratio is given, so we will distribute it equally between Sharda